Hello friends, how are you? I am again here and I'm reading editorial of The Hindu and it is published on 24 November 2016 and it is with caption Restore the Ceasefire. Reading it. As the most powerful and cohesive power in the region, cohesive means connected power in the region, India needs to chart a roadmap to restore the ceasefire on the line of control. रीस्टोर मीन्स होता है दोबारा उसी पोजीशन वाले जिसमें पहले था, बहाल करना कहता है restore the ceasefire on the line of control. The brutal killing of 3 Indian soldiers, brutal means गंदी बहुत जानवरों वाली, killing of 3 Indian soldier, one of them beheaded, एक का सिर काट दिया गया, in the Machli sector in Jammu and Kashmir, must alert both India and Pakistan to the danger of the retaliatory cycle spinning out of control. Retaliatory means बदले वाली cycle. तुम मुझे मारो मैं तुम्हें मारूं, this kind of cycle is going on. So अब out of control हो गया है. After decades of hostilities, hostilities means शत्रुता, due to hostilities, the formal ceasefire of November 2003 had come as a big boost to peace at a time when India was grappling with militancy. Grappling means to engage in a close fight, jhujna. Grappling with militancy, state-sponsored terrorism, and political disaffection. Disaffection means asantosh, not satisfied. Starting with that winter, the guns fell silent along the international boundary and the LOC. Thousands of residents of the border villages of both sides returned to their farms, and India was able to complete its fence along the LOC. Militancy in Jammu and Kashmir declined significantly, and normalcy gradually returned to the village. Normalcy means सामान्य स्थिति. Normalcy means सामान्य स्थिति होता है. Normal conditions means normalcy. Normalcy gradually means धीरे धीरे return to the village. It is a matter of debate if the ceasefire was a contributing factor to the reduction in militancy in Kashmir. Reduction पता है कम. But cover fire provided by Pakistani military post along the border had been regularly used by militant to sneak into India. Sneak means move or going in a stealthy manner. चुपचाप से घुसना. This is reportedly how the terrorism who killed Indian soldier on Tuesday managed to get across the LOC. It is clear now that the ongoing, almost daily, exchange of the fire has rendered the ceasefire meaningless. Rendered means make, बना देना. Render या बताना, show करना. Ever since the terrorist attack on an army camp in Uri in September, tensions have bubbled over. Ceasefire violation means रूल को तोड़ना, वायलेशन होता है, have become routine and thousands of villagers have shifted to safer location. Small arms, light machine guns, various kinds of mortars and artillery are being used by both sides in the fog of hostilities. Fog तो पता ही है, कोरा hostility भी पता है, दुश्मनी. It is not easy to distinguish who is the guilty, कि आरोपी कौन है, and who started the firing. What is clear is that this race to the bottom could get out of hand. रेस ऑफ द बॉटम मतलब होता है हराने की प्रक्रिया, एक दूसरे को हराने की, रिगरस कॉम्पिटिशन भी कहते हैं लेकिन यहाँ पे हराने की प्रक्रिया हो सकती है. कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द अनसर्टेनिटी इज द पावर स्ट्रगल इन पाकिस्तान विद द सिविलियन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नवाज शरीफ ट्राइंग टू होल्ड इट्स ओन विज विज द आर्मी. होल्ड इट्स ओन, खुद आमने सामने बात कर रहे हैं, विज विज में सामने सामने या सामने बैठकर. With the army, the expected exit of Army Chief Rahil Sharif may add to the confusion as the new chief settles in. However, in New Delhi, the picture is far clearer. Given India's regional status and Prime Minister Narendra Modi unchallenged hold over political power, it is incumbent on him to initiate a step. Incumbent दो बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज होते हैं मीनिंग. Incumbent एक होता है currently holding power. Mr. Narendra Modi is incumbent Prime Minister of India. ठीक है, इनकम्बेंट वो अभी पावर में है प्राइम मिनिस्टर, एंड अखिलेश यादव इज इनकम्बेंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. इनकम्बेंट का एक और मीनिंग होता है, एडजेक्टिव रहता है इनकम्बेंट, इट मीन्स होल्ड, इज करंटली होल्डिंग पावर और सीट. इनकम्बेंट का मतलब होता है एक और मीनिंग होता है इनकम्बेंट का. इनकम्बेंट मीन्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल और डिपेंडेंट. It is dependent on him to initiate or the incumbent to have responsibility. It is incumbent on him to initiate a step but start करना to restore the ceasefire that worked well for over a decade. It is not only that peace is absolute requisite means होता है ये आपका necessary ज़रूरी, और एब्सोल्यूट तो पूर्ण कंप्लीट. तो एब्सोल्यूट रिक्विजिट मीन्स होता है निहायती ज़रूरी, निहायती ज़रूरी, बहुत ज़रूरी. फॉर इट्स गवर्नमेंट्स ग्रांट इकोनॉमिक प्लान्स इंक्लूडिंग डिमोनेटाइजेशन टू वर्क, इंडियन पाकिस्तान मस्ट गार्ड अगेंस्ट एडवेंचरिज्म इन एन इंक्रीजिंगली अनप्रडिक्टेबल वर्ल्ड. एडवेंचरिज्म मीन्स रिस्क लेने की जो मानसिकता है ना कि चल जो होगा देखा जाएगा, तो उससे अपने आप को बचाना है. एडवेंचरिज्म जैसे एडवेंचर मीन द विलिंगनेस टू टेक रिस्क. सो दैट्स फॉर नाउ फ्रेंड्स. बाय बाय.